Eto, hugas tayo ng atay ng baboy. Atay ng baboy, atay ng manok, at saka balon-balunan. Alam niyo na gamit natin dyan. So, nabili tayo kanina sa palengke, nagpabili tayo. So, linisin natin maigi. Game. Marami tayo, kaya...
She get me all nuts, sending me all these hungry Hawaiian videos, cracking me up. Any kind of messages, and I can't even focus every time she go text, bro. Hana pa.
Soda. Tata.
Walang papeles, walang certificate, dumaan sa inspection. So, mahirap lang, diba? Sa akin, nakaka-affect sa pressure sa mga kabuhayan ng ating partners.
So, start that. Buksan natin ang kalan. Pero, sus, Mio Marimar.
Shit, love them West Side details.
Yan, okay na? Mainit ang ating kawali.
Okay, honey girl, check on me.
I must be love crazy. Thinking of you makes me keep checking my phone. I'm waiting for my screen to show your name, baby. When you text, my heart skips beats, reading all your love receipts. People see me laugh randomly, loving your DMs, baby.
Baby, driving me nuts. It's like everywhere I see your face, every message is from you, even the emails. It's like, brah, if I don't see you soon, I'll go bust somebody out. Call me up, girl.
1 teaspoon. Ayan, 1 teaspoon siya. Ito yung asin. 1 teaspoon na asin. So, ang asin kasi rito local yun, maalat ang asin.
Crazy, but it feels like my inbox is playing me.
So yan siya.
Message just might
Yan natin. Pagka medyo matabang naman, pwede natin dagdagan yan.
my heart
Mamaya.
skips a beat. Reading all your love receipts. People see me laugh randomly, loving your DMs, baby. When you text my heart skips beats. Reading all your love receipts. People see me laugh randomly, loving your DMs, baby.
Ayan, takpan natin ulit. Singaw kasi singaw eh. Oh my God! Wow! Ito natin natin. Lagyan natin siya ng... Lagyan natin siya ng suka. Dato puti. Yan. 2 kutsara. Tapos pag natin siyang hahaluin, kailan natin siya kumulo ng kumulo.